Hi everyone, it's Tamika, and here's my latest video for my CVS Target haul that I did today for the week of September the 21st. Okay, I'm just gonna go over the deals that I was able to get today. So the first deal at CVS is the Arm & Hammer. They had it on buy one and you get two free. Regular price is $7.79 each. So I bought 6, and I also had three $2 off 2 coupons. So my out of pocket was $9.58, and of course the tax is a little bit higher here in California. So the total I paid was $10.90 for 6 bottles of Arm & Hammer. Okay, the next deal was the whisk. That's not in the CVS circular, but it was on sale. Regular price is $8.99 for the whisk, and they had on sale for $4.99. And also, if you purchase one bottle, you will get back $1 back ECB, which is extra care bucks. So I purchased 2. I also had 2 dollar off manufacturer coupons for each one. So my total out of pocket was $7.98, and with the tax, so it's $8.83. I also got $2 back for my extra care bucks. So the total I actually paid out of pocket would have been $6.83 for the 2 bottles of whisk. Okay, my next transaction is actually my Target. Target had Sensodyne and Pronamel on sale. The Sensodyne was on sale for $4.89. If you buy 3, you would get a $5 gift card. So I went ahead and purchased the 3. My soap total was $19.67, and they took off the gift card fee. Also at Target, they have a 15% off of the Sensodyne on their Cartwheel. So my total Cartwheel savings was $2.22. So my total out of pocket total was $12.45. Okay, and then if you also take away the $5 gift card, so I paid $7.45 for 3 Sensodynes. Okay, my last transaction was the new Colgate. Wait 1 second. The new Colgate Enamel Health. They had it on sale at Target for $2.99, but they also had coupons for $2 off. Manufacturer coupons for $2 off of any Colgate Enamel Health. So I grabbed 6 of the Enamel Healths, which is here. Okay, and what I did was I had to split it up in 2 transactions because you could only use 4 coupons of the same per each transaction. So my first transaction was 4, and then my second transaction was the 2. So we rang up the 4 Colgate Total toothpastes. Okay, and then we also took off the $2 off manufacturer coupon. So my total was $3.96, but I had the $5 gift card from the Sensodyne, so I just rolled that over. So my total came up to $4.98 on the gift card. So basically I got 4 of these toothpastes for free. Okay, so my last transaction was the last 2 Colgate Enamels, which was $2.99. I also used 2 $2 off coupons. Okay, so my total would have been $2 for the toothpaste. But I also bought scissors for $2.69, which is high as hell, but whatever. So my total out of cost pocket was $4.67 with the tax, so I paid $5.41. But essentially I paid $2 for the last 2 boxes of my toothpaste. Okay, so that's it for my haul. I hope everybody enjoyed it. I will be doing another haul maybe in 2 weeks from now. And thanks for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Any questions? Put them below in the box. Thank you. Have a great day.